Okay, I think I'm on the skill trade screen, right?
Yeah, I see it. I see it. That's perfect.
Okay.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. We're back here with the Market Mayhem event, and I know you guys are like looking at the screen and like, what's Fight Club? This is actually Skillcade. We are recently partnered with them, and before we start talking about Bitcoin hitting 121K, we'll go and like do a quick plug here. So if you guys aren't aware yet, we're doing a giveaway, 20 USDT, to be given out to those who like, retweet, and participate. So this is like the giveaway for this event. So make sure you guys, um this is the link right here. So make sure you guys go ahead and participate in this raffle. So all you need to do is like, comment, retweet, follow Skillcade, and follow Memeland Mayhem to join the raffle. And we'll do that raffle. When is this raffle gonna end though?
We'll probably do it tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Okay, yeah, we'll do the
Yeah,
raffle
that's fine.
tomorrow. Then during the stream, we'll all go back to this tweet right here, and then pretty much like look at the comment section. It's gonna be very easy actually. So we just scroll down. We're gonna see all the likes, the people who commented, and we're gonna put all your names in a wheel of name. So we're not gonna be stingy. We're gonna include the ones in the probable spam section. I don't know why Twitter
They
is
have to follow
tagging
the
us.
rule.
Yeah, but is there a rule though? Like, I think to join, like
the main,
RTN, comment, and follow Skillcade.
yeah, the main
So
thing is follow Skillcade. That's kind
yeah,
of the main. And then
so
comments, we know you're there.
yeah, it should be pretty easy to do the to do the raffle even with all this. Like I know there's a bot, not the bot, but like there's a tool out there, a free tool somewhere where everyone who likes and comment and follow Skillcade are gonna be entered into the raffle automatically, and then we just a press of a button,
Yeah, I think so.
you'll be able to like go ahead and get them some followers. So I mean, sorry, like get the names of those who participates and actually win. So yeah, that's about it. Quick plug right there. Make sure you join. Don't miss out. $20 is $20. That goes a long way, and it's free money too. All you need to do is like, comment, follow Skillcade, and retweet as well. Anyways, Beef Chain, you want to go back to your other screen?
Yeah, no, real quick, drop the referral code just so I can show you like where to enter because it is a little weird.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Here you go. There you go. You
And then there is a
wanna?
tournament. There's a tournament starting. I thought it was tonight, but maybe it's tomorrow.
It is tomorrow, yes. And I had a chance to try the game myself as well. It was actually quite simple. Like if you click that play now button, you can actually do it. Like go click the
Yeah, it's
play
I'm gonna
now
do.
button.
Real
Yeah.
quick, I'm gonna show you. Click on your profile, then just go over here to settings, and then down here you can enter your referral code. Just copy and paste that in, and then you'll see. Oh no, is it not working? Maybe I'm on the account with the referral code. But you'll see a diamond pop up for free, and that'll get you into the next tournament for free, which will be a premium tournament. But let me go back just to give you a quick look. It's a real simple game. Everyone's played like a Flappy Bird type of game. But it's not a cumulative as far as the leaderboards. If it's like high score based, so you can just hop in if you're good at this game and potentially win some money real easily.
Yeah.
Or without grinding, you know what I mean? Everyone loves that.
I did it. It was pretty simple actually. Can you go back to your profile? I think it had an extra space at the end. That's why it didn't work for you. So go back there, paste the code, and then remove the space at the end. Oh, there you go. And save. Looks correct. What? It didn't
Oh,
work for
okay.
you?
I'm under my account. I'm under the MMM account.
Oh, that's why. Okay, that's why. But yeah, when I used it, it worked for me. I got one diamond right here.
Oh, okay, yeah, perfect. I forgot which one I used to sign up. Let's see, is the game working? Is the game working for you, or is it just me?
It worked. Yeah, I was able to actually play. Click the
Oh,
play.
here we go.
Yeah, there
Here
you
we
go.
go. They do have a mobile like APK if you're interested in that, but it should work on your browser. Oh, the sound. Let me turn it down.
One diamond is $3, but the tournament, are they gonna win? Do you know if they're gonna win diamond or like actual USD on the tournament?
It's USDT. I think they give you the FC coin, but you withdraw that as USDT.
Got it. Got it.
How do I start this shit? The hell? Oh, maybe I need to scroll down. There we go. Let me hit this. Oh, now it's got to reload.
See how easy that was? Yeah, I see some people in the chat already dropping that they were able to do it.
You see how much I suck at this shit? Oh no! This is hard because I'm streaming. It's lagging. Try one more.
All right, I think their motto fits you perfectly in this instance. It's a skill issue, beef.
Oh no, yeah, for sure. Okay, fucking goddamn audio's blaring in my ear. Let me switch over my stream. That's like their tagline too. I'm a perfect example of.
Yeah, guys, you don't have to send a screenshot of like when you do it, but like on just make sure you use the code if you're gonna sign up. And actually, in the next tournament, I think it's a good idea to join like their paid tournament using that diamond. It pays well. Like you're gonna get paid in USDT, not in diamond, so that's pretty good. I'm probably gonna play tomorrow as well, so we can all hop in, play this game. It's like Flappy Bird. I'm not sure if you guys knows about Flappy Bird, but it was quite popular in the thousands, 2000s. Wait, was it 2000s or am I misremembering it? But at some point it became really popular. Was
I've
it
seen some whippy
2000?
versions too. It's a simple game. It's probably as old.
Cheesy Hot Dog, do you know about Flappy Bird? Because Cheesy Hot Dog is the youngest here, I'm assuming. Do you know about Flappy Bird? Have you heard of it? Have you tried it, bro? You did? Okay. All right. So that's good.
There you go.
I'm the youngest here, though. Oh.
Can you see the right screen?
Yeah. We see the screen. I'm only 16.
Okay, great.
Bruh.
Damn. All right. Well, going back, I think it was like a couple weeks ago. I was expecting us actually to get down a little lower, which we didn't. We actually popped out of this, so I was wrong on that one. That'll happen though. But it looks pretty good. I mean, we're staying above just kind of prior tops. Although I do think we probably could wick down like in the short term a little bit down here. But this is kind of like a red zone. We don't want to spend too much time down here. We start like trading below like this area, then we're probably going to test the bottom of the zone or come back down to here. These are old boxes from like predicting like when the low would be. Just a little bit off. And then we had this measure move here, which that came close to hitting. So that was kind of like just your measurement of this channel.
I'm sorry. I just wanna be sure, like, because I think we didn't mention it, but like tomorrow's event, I hear that there's a $50 up for grabs.
Yeah, we'll announce that. It should be like after this event. Yeah, it'll be like a boss mode. Who can kill the boss the most times? We'll have $50 up grabs.
Perfect. And yeah, we're just gonna award like the top 3 tomorrow, guys. So make sure you practice. Bring in the guns, whatever gun you could buy from the game. It should be a good idea. We'll split it to 3 winners tomorrow. That way it's worth your. That's gonna be huge. Like 25. I think it's gonna be 25 for the champion. So make sure you guys do it. It's gonna be in USDT beef or.
Yeah. Well, we'll have some giveaways after too when we do the skill trade stuff. We'll also hop into that and kind of get started on that tournament that I think starts tomorrow.
There you go. Anyways, that was a brief, just remembered it while looking at the chats.
Yeah, good thing I forgot about too. But yeah, as far as looking here, like Bitcoin, like we are above kind of the highs. We're consolidating above. That's good. It's bullish. But I would expect this to kind of like launch off like sooner rather than later. Like within the next week. If not, we could kind of turn down the momentum indicators and then probably test the bottom. But it does look like volatility is kind of starting to expand here in the higher time frames. You see the moving average in particular has gotten like much lower, so that's something important. Then on weekly, I think we're just about to cross this moving average. If you can see, and that kind of blends in with the blue, can't really see. But we haven't done that since, way back over here. So that's good. And yeah, like I was talking about, if this like lags out or kind of elongates for more than like a week or so, this probably does turn down. I was really expecting for this to get down kind of this green zone. That would be the most healthy route upwards. One of the kind of this possible scarier, or I guess it depends on how you look at it, but one of the potentials is if we're crossing it from here is we have that 4-year cycle kind of narrative. So we could see theoretically like a blow off top here over the next like few months, like pretty big gains where we hit, I don't know, maybe like 150 to 200,000, something like that. Probably over 150. But then if we do see that kind of blow off top and kind of extreme volatility and stuff, extreme momentum, then we could hit that kind of bear market, which I don't really expect. So we'll see how it plays out. I think that was the main shit on Bitcoin here. Let me make sure. Yeah, you'll see like some of these moving averages are also in this area to kind of look out for. We do see kind of these, want to see these reset a little bit. The weekly is up. If we can kind of maintain this kind of weekly 5-day upper momentum, which we'd have to kind of correct these within the next week, then we'll probably see that kind of blast off, the kind of big move up. Next level up, not sure where that would be. Let's see, we can actually. Yeah, okay, it's like 130. Try something else. Oops. I guess we use that for initial. Okay, so that's also like 140. So, I mean, those are like potential levels. I mean, they'll be relevant when they are. So far, they're not. The big thing we want to get is kind of direction and timing. If we look at Bitcoin dominance, I think last time we talked, I expected to bounce a little higher, so we could see it kind of drift up a little more, ultimately curl over. We want to see kind of the macro trend still to be downwards. And also the same thing, you want to see these kind of momentum levels kind of reset for a nice push down. That'd be kind of your alts kind of really popping off and well outperforming Bitcoin, like your altcoin season. But short term, we could see this kind of pop up a little more. That could be, I mean, it's price neutral. That could be actually Bitcoin like kind of shooting down, or it could be it shooting up. Like either scenario could, or most likely would, increase your Bitcoin dominance. Then alts, I didn't have too much time looking at them. I was looking at them a little bit earlier. Like they're not looking like too great. Probably going to come back down on these lows. I was looking at ETH. Probably just come back down in this region somewhere. I mean, this is looking somewhat like a inverse head and shoulders type of accumulation. And then Solana looking pretty similar, which is pretty typical. You see kind of consolidations along kind of your all-time high regions, which is where we're at with these high cap altcoin type of projects. Same thing here today. They get momentum kind of coming down, shooting down in the lower time frames. So pressure is going to be downwards, kind of scrape down in here. Depending on how Bitcoin does, obviously Bitcoin shoots off, these are going to fucking react as well. That's why you mostly want to pay attention to Bitcoin as far as macro direction, especially in these kind of moments where it could kind of go either way. But not horrible if we do consolidate, keep consolidate for like another month. Kind of warned that like a couple months ago that this could unwind and take like a while to kind of reclaim it. But ultimately that's healthy. That's going to be a more extended, more of a 5-year credit cycle, like more of a typical traditional cycle, and not kind of this weird 4-year cycle that we have in crypto land. But yeah, I mean, we can get into the shit coins, and we got some shit coin tickers they want to look at.
Beef. Before you do that, there's a question in the chat. Would you say it's likely to go up or down? Like, I guess he's trying to say is like, give it a percentage. Like, would you say 70%, that it's gonna go up, or like something like that. Because
What?
he's saying he's got $40 for, I'm guessing, shorting or going long. Just go YOLO, he
Okay, well,
says.
the big thing, well, the big thing is your time frame. Especially if you're on leverage, like you say, oh, you think it's going to go up or down. I can say, yeah, up, and then it goes down short term, wrecks you, and then ultimately goes up. And I'm like, see, I was right. So the time frame is huge. Is it going to go up in the next couple of days, or up and down in the next couple of days, weeks, months? That's kind of the big question. And then also, what asset are you trading? Less important because they tend to trade together, but the big thing is time frame. If we're talking short term, like days, then probably maybe downside pressure.
Okay, maybe this will help. He says, if say I will do no leverage, I'm assuming like no multiplier, and just aiming to earn like $30-$40.
On a $40, that was that. That's a pretty high percentage
Yeah,
return.
that's a pretty high. Yeah. I think you'd need at
But
least
again,
like.
that's not a time frame. That's like a wish list. Like that's what I hope to make this. Over what time frame?
Okay,
You can get those gains easy over like a month or two, but a couple days, good luck.
let's say he want to do high leverage and like, oh, I think something that would be interesting then is like if you do it for just a day, like just one day. I don't know how that works, to be honest.
Yeah, that's like scalping.
Yeah.
Then you zoom in way in. Like the shit I'm talking about is like not even really relevant when if you're going on like those time frames. Like you'd have to get down in these hour time frames and shit, 30 minute.
Do you want to like try to do like a scalping session now? I mean, you don't have to put real money in, but like just kind of like how you would do it, so they would get an insight. I think they're interested to see that.
Oh, that could be interesting. We probably have to do that like a separate thing because that could get like I gotta explain like a lot of shit. But I mean, a lot of stuff I usually talk about it's still applied on these short time frames. But this strategy isn't like you're better off more of like a quant, like statistical analysis type of strategy if you're doing that type of stuff.
Gabriel just saying like, hey, just put it to Scatter. Scatter is like casino, online casino in the Philippines.
It's also a tool on Ronin. Like I think their multi-send token tool is called Scatter.
Oh, okay. I've never heard of it, but yeah, if you're looking to lose your money or like double your money quick, I think either go scatter or like just go YOLO, and like you could put it like pretty much it's 50-50. I don't think it just takes like some guts, I'd say, because I could win some and I could lose a lot too, right? Like just go to Bybit and like put times 10 and then put in like $40 in there.
Yeah, I've done that for sure, plenty of times. Use like 100x, be like a real champ.
That's so degen. That's like losing your money for like not even
Oh
a
yeah, like
second.
not even a 1% drop in your toast. It's fun though. I mean, it's gambling. You get a little rush.
Yeah, exactly. You get the rush.
But yeah, don't gamble money that you can't afford to lose when it comes to that.
Exactly. But that would be interesting. I think maybe the next session should be something like, hey,
Yeah,
it's you, but like you're going, like you're zooming in, and then you show us like how you would assess. Like I don't think it matter much if you do it incorrectly or like you guess wrong or you guess right. I think what
oh
they're
yeah,
trying to do is like they just need to have that like the basics of like how you would do it, like some insight to how you would do it, and then maybe they could start practicing that way. It's up to them. Like I
yeah,
think these guys knows already the risk. If they want to follow how you
yeah,
did
yeah.
it, then that's them. No complaints.
Yeah, it's definitely been years since I've been scalp trading, day trading, stuff like that.
There you go,
But
guys.
actually,
BTC's gonna show us the way.
I was talking to like Vibe Trading, kind of setting something because they have like a leverage platform that we could like kind of promote and kind of use these kind of events to all use their platform and shit. Maybe do some stuff like that. So they have the majors too. They have like Bitcoin, ETH, all that stuff on leverage. Plus they have like meme coins. If we want to get super degen, do meme coins on leverage.
Oh, we're getting some more interesting stuff here, Beef. So they said, I mean, Maria here is saying, use real money and she'll chip in $100.
Oh no, I don't. No, and then what if I lose? I feel horrible. I'd have to give you $100 back. That would be funny, but no, I wouldn't take people's money. I just put up my own money, and so if I lose it, I don't feel bad.
She's saying, no, no, I accept the risk. I will accept the terms of service.
Yeah, we'll see.
That would be fun. That would be fun. I mean, if they accept the risk, then yeah, that's totally fine.
Do some
Maybe,
super degen shit. Just fucking
yeah, exactly. And then maybe
super high leverage.
oh, this
Just get liquidated right away. Oh, sorry guys.
ends the stream in 5 minutes.
Yep. Short stream today. Sorry. Till next time.
No, these guys are degens, Beef. Oh no, we're gonna get.
That could be fun.
Yeah, I mean that could be
Get me
fun.
back into the whole scalp trade. I mean, this could be like an interesting time. If we do pop off here, then it kind of be the time where you don't even have to be like perfect to make stupid amount of money. At least gains, I wouldn't bet that much, but I mean, returns wise, you can make a lot. You can lose a lot too, so be careful.
Dang, look at this. So she's saying, "I'll use the win to buy MMM if you win." Oh, okay. That would be interesting. Yeah, for sure.
You can have me over just 2 days and just fucking looking up shit like research. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. Turn me back into a trader and shit.
Oh, imagine Beef Chain suddenly went back to trading after this, right? Like, got the feel of the eyes already.
Sorry, guys, I gotta step down from MMA. Too much time trading.
I'm back to
Jeez,
trading.
Spy's getting out of hand. Oh my god, this is a little worrying. Spent a lot of time this. Jesus Christ, high 90s and volatility in the weekly, just hanging out. It's going parabolic. That's crazy. Oh, one thing I did see, somebody was pointing out like the gold chart. How gold will like pump and then it'll reach like a consolidation point, and then Bitcoin, that's when they like pumps right after. Let me see if I can overlay Bitcoin actually. Here we go. Let me turn off these drawings. Oh, it's not freaking scaled right. Ah, shit. Oh, let's get this to the right. Ah, fucking trading view. Okay, well, you can kind of see it here. A little bit. It's not very obvious. Fuck, this isn't working. But just trust me. This is definitely a good thing because I mean the narrative on gold and Bitcoin is like pretty similar. So this is going to be more traditional adoption of like, that narrative. They're not going to go right into Bitcoin.
Wait, so you're saying if gold is going up, that's good for Bitcoin?
Yeah, it tends to lead like kind of major moves.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah, this thing's got like parabolic. That's crazy, but yeah, it's definitely good for Bitcoin. It's kind of the same like fiat debasement kind of narrative, and also all the global tension and shit going on. Like the dollar is definitely losing a lot of favor in the world. Thanks, Donald Trump. So yeah, but I mean it's good for us, to be honest, because people driven away from the dollar is good for crypto. It's like the only real replacement the world has. Alright, any shitcoins anybody want to look at?
I would be interested on P Horse because yeah, that's one that I think a lot of community members are active on at the moment.
Yeah, oof, this is the right chart. Doesn't look great. Are they giving out a lot of rewards?
Yeah, I think it's been like the NFTs generating quite a bit. I think my daily is just with level 7, like 5 level 7 NFTs, I get about like 2k PORs. I don't know. Gab seems to be generating more. How much do you generate per day, Gab? Oh yeah, this guy has more. Are all your like NFTs maxed out, like max level?
This is a rough chart for sure. This looks like just max distribution. Initial hype, launch hype, then distribution. Got a bottom sometime though, right?
There has to be a bottom, yeah.
No, yeah, I mean it's gonna go up the market. So if the market's bouncing, it'll bounce back up and shit. Like if you were looking at something like this and we were like the end of the market cycle, then I'd be worried for sure.
Yeah.
But we haven't really gotten to the altcoin hype, so I mean it'll be all right. But yeah, this is not what you want to look at as far as the chart.
And I would be interested to see like Ronin too, because their buybacks announcement doesn't seem to be helping a lot. I don't know. I still got some staked.
Yeah, it doesn't look great.
Looking
Kind
rough
of slum.
too.
I mean, most games are going to be kind of basically consolidating lows. They have been for forever. It seems like
the narrative's gonna come, guys. Don't lose hope. Gaming is gonna be great again. You know, we're just one tweet away from Elon. Elon is an avid gamer. getting his like, was it Diablo account? Or
oh yeah, but wasn't he like faking it though? I heard. I saw some.
It was completely fake. It was the he was not the one who actually like
was playing the counter, like grinded it up.
Yeah, he bought it from some other players.
I was looking at daily here. I mean, it kind of matches with other shit. They're probably going to go lower. But I mean, this in particular doesn't look good. Like we could kind of hit even like lower lows. It's not great. But it depends on what happens with Bitcoin. I mean, this will probably do maybe test down in here. If we can hold this low, then it'll be all right. We'll be on the daily. But yeah, I mean, we want to see all this kind of shit kind of break out of this. Start trading above the 21 weekly. It's kind of your big major barometer.
And I think
kind of right at this.
And I think that's pretty much like all the coins. Oh wait, there was one other one called AVAX. So like AVAX is also something I'm like super interested on. AVAX is
but they should, right? Because this should look better to be honest, but definitely looks better in kind of like your gaming token.
Yeah, I think they're the strongest. I mean, their narrative when it comes to gaming seems to be a lot stronger than that of Ronin, and both are like gaming chains, right?
I think I'm not sure if AVAX is like a branded as a gaming chain. I knew they do like a lot of gaming, obviously.
Oh, were they not? I thought
Maybe.
that was like their main thing.
Could be. I don't see like too many games launching on them. I mean, that I like deal with at least.
Gotcha. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I think
if we stay above this liquidity pocket, it's not too bad. Like long as we're kind of trading above here, you can see this big volume kind of spike. Call us like a liquidity zone. So this would be like people would stack buys. Obviously, this is like a previous resistance that we broke out of. So like if you zoom in, it's like similar to like Bitcoin, but obviously we're not at all-time highs or whatnot. But you still have this consolidation break, consolidation right above it, above these important moving averages too, and they're all bunched up. So as long as we hold above here, I think you're good. If we start opening and closing, kind of blow this area, then I'd start to hedge. But this could just be like your big buy area, to be honest. So no reason to sell unless it starts getting kind of ugly and closing below this kind of region. which will probably be preceded by like Bitcoin kind of breaking down, heading towards the low ranges and shit, or range lows. You can really tell if you kind of zoom out this big liquidity zone. So yeah, all good. As long as you stay from here, as long as you stay above here, like I just keep holding.
Sounds
if you're looking
good.
to buy, probably buy around there. Start closing candles, like especially like weekly and shit. That'd be like below your 21 moving average, which is pretty much the same area. Could get a wick down here, but as long as we're not like spending time down there closing bars, higher time frame bars. But yeah, overall, just kind of looks like a big consolidation. Probably will at least test the highs during the cycle, even like on a smaller kind of cycle, muted more, less altcoin friendly cycle. Hasn't happened, but theoretically could. Even that's still like a 3x. So yeah, it's still good. I'll just keep holding. See this nice little accumulation bull here. That's good. Kind of rounded price action. High time frame.
When the gaming narrative heats up, I expect this to like blow, like probably like past $100. I mean, that's my hopes.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, for sure. We get that kind of, yeah. Oh yeah, because I mean that would be, we definitely would get above highs, which is like 140 something.
Right? Yeah. Anyways, that's I think that's about it. Those are like the tokens that communities most interested for. And I just want to remind like everyone once again, tomorrow we have the meme line event. It's gonna be a boss fight. It's gonna have a $50 prize pool, and the top three are gonna be the winners. After that, so it's gonna be a 2-hour event. The first hour, I mean, probably just like probably just gonna be like 1 hour event tops, to be honest.
Yeah, hour and a half.
Yeah, because the first 15 minutes is going to be the event, and then after that we're going to be playing Skillcade. I mean, not Skillcade itself, it's called Flight Plan, and it's a
Flight
tournament. Flight Club, sorry. And basically Skillcade is the platform, and that platform offers tournament. The game inside the platform is going to have a tournament tomorrow. It's going to be a Flappy Bird like game, and there's going to be $100 prize pool there too. So if you guys are into Flappy Birds, or you know how Flappy Birds work, you played it when you were young. When you were young, I don't know when that came out. You know what? I just want to get an answer to that. When did Flappy Bird came out?
Yeah, let's settle it.
Flappy Bird came out in 2013. That was
Jeez.
12 years ago. That was when Zion was 3 years old. So it's definitely a Zion. Did you play Flappy Bird?
Grew up on it.
You must have grew up on it at some point. That was cheesy, still 5 months old. Wait, created Flappy Bird in Java. And yes, you know, Beef Chain is now thinking about it, guys. So just a few more pushes, and Beef Chain will definitely trade. I mean, Maria said she was gonna chip in $100. So if you guys want to chip in something too, and then have Beef Chain trade on it and actually win some money, then that would be really, really fun. Like, I mean, it could only go, like, if you think about it, there's a 50% chance that you're gonna be $100 reacher, or like $100 poorer. So it's 50-50. But what's fun is, like, we're all gonna be having fun regardless of what's the result.
Yeah, minus the chip ins. I'm not taking
minus the chip ins. Like, the chip ins are probably gonna be sad.
I'll put in like a little money if we make something. Then we'll just like do a giveaway, something fun like that.
Yeah. So I think we should make it happen for real. But basically, Zion, just to catch you up, or for context too, for those that are late, right? 2 weeks from now, we're gonna have Biff Shane do some live trading. The initial plan is that we just want to see him, like, how he does it from scratch without the money involved. But now we're thinking about potentially putting in or chipping in some, and actually just having fun. together or having some wounds together. But either way, I think it's going to be a really great stream. So that's going to be in 2 weeks. You're going to see how a trader does it, like how a scalper does it, and
X-ray.
how an ex trader.
Got
So
knocked the rust off.
yeah, if we go down together. There you go. That's the code. That's
Nah,
the
no.
code, guys.
If we're gonna get wrecked, then we're all gonna get wrecked. So
So yeah, if you guys wanna, yeah, it's gonna be fun. I think that's gonna make our community stronger. You know, the bond of a community.
yeah,
A
trauma
community,
bonding.
yeah, trauma bonding.
That would be fun.
Anyways, guys, tomorrow don't miss it. Again, it's a Flappy Bird like game, but before the game with Skillcade, we're gonna be playing Memeland Mayhem. There's a $50 prize pool, and after that, there's a $100 prize pool. So lots of events tomorrow to look forward to. Make sure you go and practice and make the most of it. And yeah, we'll see you all tomorrow. Bishane, do you have any closing words before we end the stream?
No, just don't forget about that $20 giveaway. Just a couple steps could win we might do two $10 giveaways instead of
Exactly.
120.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, for those who haven't done it yet, I'm gonna share the link again here. I'm just gonna drop it again. It's very simple. The rules: there's a $20 giveaway. It's gonna be raffled tomorrow before we start the tournament. It's gonna be just like, retweet, and comment and follow Skillcade. I see that we've already gained quite a bit of new followers in there, in their Twitter account. So make sure you do that tomorrow, and we'll all see you there.
Yep, definitely.
All right, guys, GG's, and have a great rest of your day. Good night, everyone.
Later. Close the stream.
We should do it. We should really do it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
I gotta knock some dust out. It's been a minute, but yeah, we would have to